Hello again, my solar addicted friends. It's Cyber Monday. And if you haven't had enough already of the sales that are going on, we're going to hit you with some more. Today we're going to show you the sales that are going on for Cyber Monday on Signature Solar's website. They have some very interesting sales going on, and this is a great time for you to pull the trigger on that system that you've been wanting to build for all this time. And you've done enough research, you finally know what you want. Take advantage of the discounts and also take advantage of those solar tax credits, 30% tax credit that is going to go away at the end of the year on December 31st. So you still have time to pull the trigger on this and get your system at a discounted rate. So let's take a look at the Signature Solar Cyber Monday sales. So here's a list of the Cyber Monday sales that are going on today. The first one is 10% off on panels. So you got to get the energy in your system, and that starts with your panels. So it's a critical point in your energy storage system. That excludes certain select panels. You'd have to check the website to see if the panel you're interested in is one of those excluded panels. But generally speaking, you're going to have a 10% off on panels at Signature Solar during Cyber Monday. The second sale that is being offered is an additional 15%. You can get 15% off on solar panel or PV accessories when you purchase the panels and include your accessories. Now, it doesn't include any racking, but it could include, solar panel wires, MC4 connectors. You may need to get Tigo transmitter. That's an accessory for PV. I'm pretty sure they're going to include that in that 15% off. As long as you're buying it with some panels, you will get that additional 15% off on the accessory. The third sale item is going to be $250 flat rate shipping on orders over $3,500, excluding pallets of panels. So it's real easy to get to $3,500 when you're buying this kind of equipment. You may have an inverter alone that costs more than $3,500. You can easily get to that $250 flat rate shipping, and a lot of this stuff is really heavy, so that will help you save money there as well. The fourth item on the list is select panels will be on deep discounts. At this point, they've probably gone through some of the other items that they wanted to lower their inventory on, and they're going to be looking to discount the ones that weren't moving as fast as the others. So pay attention to the website during Cyber Monday, and you will see panels going on sale periodically throughout the day. So you can take advantage of that. And also remember, number one says we're getting 10% off. So remember to do your math when you're calculating. And then the last one on the list is the continuation of all the clearance items on the clearance page of the Signature Solar website. They have several items on clearance for sale, and you can check that out on their website. And they might even wind up discounting those even further if the products are not moving as fast as they would like to. You always have to rotate your inventory, folks. Sometimes things go on sale not because they're, not a good item or something. It's just other things are selling faster, and you got to rotate your inventory to be a successful business. So let's take a look at what panels that I would personally be interested in to take advantage of that 10% discount during Cyber Monday. So here we are on Signature Solar's website, the main page, and let's go to the panels page. So as far as panels, we've got new panels, we've got pallets of panels, we got individual panels, we got mobile panels, and we've got really large panels. So nowadays, because of all of the high energy usage items we have in our home, a lot of you might be thinking, let's just go with the large panel. You got to think about space. Personally, I couldn't use the largest of panels because I have limited space. I live in the city. I've got panels on my roof, and I also have a pergola and a patio cover with panels on them. I just purchased 10 more of these Hyperion 405 watt bifacial panels. I had 16 of them, and I just got in 10 more. I have 2 strings of 8 going to my FlexBoss 21, and I could increase that to 2 strings of 12, so that's why I purchased 10 more panels. I'll only be using 8 of them, but I'll have a couple of extras, and it's always good to have a couple of extras. But it's a really good panel. It's solid. One of the things that I like about them is they're very sturdy. I live in southeast Louisiana. We get a lot of hurricanes, so I wanted to make sure it could handle the wind loads. It also can handle some heavy snow loads, so if you live in an area where it gets snow, this is a good panel for you as well. And you also could get that bifacial gain. Even though it's a 405 watt panel, you can get some bifacial gain, and it'll help you get closer to the specs rating of the panel. So the current price on the Hyperion 405 watt bifacial solar panels is $138.91. But if you were to buy it with the 10% discount, it would be $125.02. If they're still around. With all these sales going on and those tax credits going away, you might go to the website and try to buy something and it'll be sold out. But this is just the reality of the moment, folks. But if you live on a farm or you've got several acres of land and you're going to be putting your panels on some, racking system, a ground mount system, and you don't have to worry about space, you may want to go with very large panels. So here's the large modules page. And when you're going with large panels, you're probably going to want to go, with the highest wattage, right? So they have several options here. The ZN Shine is 550 watts. The HT Solar is 550 watts. The Jinko Eagle is 460 watts. HT Solar's got more than one 550 watt panel. JA Solar has a 540 watt bifacial panel. So you might want to pick one of these. And remember, if you purchase it during Cyber Monday, you get an additional 10% off. And then here we are back on the solar panels page. You may have a portable solar device. You may want a portable panel. Some of these panels are they're lower wattage usually, but you may want to get one of these portable panels. You go camping, you have a small solar generator, and you want to be able to move it around when you're going camping and carry that solar panel with you. You may want to get one of these foldable portable panels. You may already have the Anker Solix portable generator. So this might be the way for you to go and get that discount and finally get those panels you wanted with your portable generator. So thank you for watching the video. I hope you guys take advantage of these sales that are going on. There's links in the description below. I have links to my favorites that I mentioned, as well as a general link to Signature Solar's website. And by using the link, you can help my channel, which I'd greatly appreciate. And you would also get a $50 discount on the order if the order is over $500. So I hope you had a good Thanksgiving, and I hope you're planning on having a wonderful Christmas with your family. Make sure that you take advantage of this sale. If you're thinking about energy independence the way that I do, you might want to jump on this if you haven't already established your system in your home. I personally have whole home energy independence. I highly recommend it to other people. It's a very empowering feeling, and Signature Solar can certainly help you get to that point where you're energy independent. If you haven't seen my recent video on how fast they ship things, there'll be a link for you to see that at the end of the video. They ship things out incredibly fast. It even blew my mind recently when I just got my 10 additional Hyperion 405 watt panels in. So take care. Hope to see you next time, and stay solar addicted.
Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed our video.